Good morning, children. So far, we have studied about acids and bases. What are acids? What are bases? Now we'll study further. So get ready, take out your books, your notebook and a pen in your hand, right? So first you mark, children, what portion we will cover up in this video, because ultimately you have to study from book. You cannot study all the time from your PC or your laptop or mobile. So first keep the things ready in the book so that when exam is there or when you're studying in routine, you can take help of your book. Now children, open page 46. Open page 46. On this page, see left hand side. On the top, the green table, which gives you an idea about the uses of bases. I told you, you learned them all. And out of these four, fourth one is the most important one. You can take that. Right? Now come to our main point. 3.4. Test for acidity and alkalinity, children. Here, the first sentence you please underline. The acidic, basic or neutral and till phenolphthalein. Please underline till phenolphthalein. Right? Then nothing in between you have to go. I am giving you only those points to underline which you have to keep in mind. Next is, come to second paragraph on the same page 46. First line, which is in bold letters. On adding acid to water, the concentration of hydronium ion increases. You add this one. You underline this. Then, in the same paragraph, the last sentence, nature of solution, which is again in bold, nature of solution depends upon the concentration of hydronium ions in solution. Please underline this also. Right? Then come to next para, which consists of 3 lines. pH scale, underline pH scale, represents the hydronium ion concentration of the given aqueous solution. Please underline this also. Then in the next para, which just comprises of only 2 lines, here underline towards end, it says pH means power of hydrogen. The last line, the last few words of this paragraph, which is having just 2 lines. So second line, pH means power of hydrogen. Same page 46. 46. Then children, towards end on the same page, on the same side at the extreme bottom, they are giving you the definition of pH in green color. Please note down that, underline that, tick that. You have to really memorize that. Although I will explain you will understand. But this has to be, revised. It should have been in a copy. You are marking here, it's all the same. Then come on the right side, same page 46. There are 2 forms of formulas given. First form and second. Children, you take the second form. That's more convenient and often used. pH is equal to the second form. Minus log to the base 10 H plus ion concentration. Then children, this table scale is given to you. Take this scale also. This much you have to tick. This is what I am going to explain you in this portion in this video. Now at least you know what all will be covered up and what all you have to mark or what all should have been the notes with you. So these are your notes. Even if I give you here, children, it will be in the video, and then ultimately towards end when it comes to revision, it's not very convenient to study from these laptop or mobile, etc. So better you have marked. Now the book is with you. Now I'm going to explain. Things will be clear to you. So now you keep the book before you, but then it's fine. You know from where I'm teaching, what portion I'm covering up, that much you know. Now pay attention on the board here. So we are going to do test for acidity and alkalinity. Means test for acidic nature and basic nature. Now children, commonly we were doing it with the help of litmus or say phenolphthalein, methyl orange, those common indicators. Litmus turning red means it is acidic, phenolphthalein turning pink means basic. Likewise, we had studied under the heading properties of acids, and bases. But now, to get more accurate value, strong acid, weak acid, likewise those categories, those measurements, we do with the help of pH scale. So the more accurate acidic and basic character of any acid, the strength of any acid, we get to know with the help of a scale known as pH scale. pH scale, what does pH stand for? P means power, H means hydrogen. This pH means power of hydrogen. pH stands for power of hydrogen. Even they can ask you this also. What does pH stand for? What does pH mean? pH means power of hydrogen in simple English. Then comes formula. pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration expressed in moles per liter. Children, with the help of this formula, we can get the definition of pH also. This is a formula. pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration expressed in moles per liter. This is the definition as well as formula. Formula is pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 H plus ion concentration, I repeat, expressed in moles per liter. The definition as well as formula. Keep that in mind. Then children, what happens? If in any solution we add acid, acid provides us what? H plus, or better say hydronium ions. So if we add acid to any solution, its hydronium ion concentration will increase. Similarly, if we put OH minus ion, or means any base to any aqueous solution or any solution, it will enhance, it will increase the OH minus ion concentration in the solution. So they might say, on putting acid in any solution, dash ion concentration will increase, hydronium ion concentration will increase. And likewise, if we add a base, hydroxyl ion, OH minus ion concentration will increase. This point also you had noted down. Then I told you pH represents or expresses the hydronium ion concentration present in any solution in terms of moles per liter. This bracket, children, this means it is expressed in moles per liter. So you have to say expressed in moles per liter. You have to give the complete definition. Then children, this is scale. This scale is graded from 0 to 14. At 7, it shows neutrality, means solution is neutral. As we go lower and lower, it becomes acidic, more and more acidic. As we go above 7, it becomes more and more basic. So 7 is neutral, above 7 is basic, below 7 is acidic. This explanation is there with you. You just write 2 points in a copy. Just 2 points. That too in very short. So give today's date and chapter is continuing because I gave you the homework also there. So in the same chapter, just write 2 points. Write down pH 7 dash neutral. Not the whole sentence. You are understanding what you are writing. Next, pH below 7 acidic. It is shown here also, but the point should be in the copy. You will not see this way the whole explanation when you are going to revise. For revision, these points should be in the copy. So below 7 acidic, comma, in the same write down. Lower the pH, stronger the acid. Clear? Lower the pH, I am waiting, write down, stronger the acid. Next write down pH above 7 dash basic solution, comma, higher the pH, stronger the base. Higher the pH, stronger the base. So you wrote this much. At 7 it is exactly neutral, below 7 it is acidic. Lower the pH, as we go more and more down, it becomes more and more acidic. If you go above 7, it becomes more and more basic. So this portion I have explained you. I hope this portion is clear. You just go through once again, and I will not make it a longer video. Remaining part of this I will explain you in my next video. So I stop it here, and I'll send you soon a second video. I stop here. Okay.